Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an article to video using Pictory. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to check out my video about this review. I made a whole entire review video talking about Pictory, the pros and cons, how much it costs, and things like that. So just be sure to check that out. So, like I said, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how simple it is to convert an article to video with this tool right here. Now, there are other tools that are similar to this, and I will make other review videos talking about those tools. But for this video, we're just going to be talking about Pictory because it's the perfect platform and software to do when you want to convert articles to video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I already pulled up an article. It's about the 7 ways to make money online. I'm gonna copy and paste this article URL and paste it in here to article to video. So for example, if you have a blog or like a website, all you need to do is go to the URL of the blog or the website, copy it, go back to your Pictory and paste it. And what it'll start doing is extracting key messages in the article and turning that into a video. All right, so as you can see here, that's what it's doing right now. And this is a very cool feature because it takes all the time and the hassle of having to go line by line and coming up with screens or scenes and then going to the stock footage and pulling out stuff. It does that all in one in this platform. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have the AI powered summary. Pretty much took this long article and made scenes and just summarized it. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is go to next. Of course, if you ever want to edit this, make corrections, change the scenes around, you can do that. But as you can see here, I'm just going to leave it as is because I just really want to show y'all how simple this is. Okay, and then I can go to any template. Of course, I can choose one of the library's templates, or I can create my own template or import my own template. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna click just a standard one. All right, and so this is most likely gonna be a YouTube video. So I'm gonna use 16:9. Of course, if you wanted to make like a TikTok or a reel or like a YouTube short, you can use that one. But for this video, I'm just gonna use the 16:9. Click on it. And so what it's doing right now is it's coming up with the storyboard stock footage. So it's combining the script and different visuals into one. Now, 9 times out of 10, it will add music, and then it can also add the subtitles as well. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. One of the things that I like about Pictory is that it connects to Storyboard, so you don't have to go to Storyboard, pay for the membership to get those videos. It already is integrated, which is very awesome. All right, so once this is ready with the visuals and stuff like that, it will pop up and it will show how it looks. So I'm just gonna pause it and wait. Oh, never mind. Because sometimes I know it takes a little bit long, but this is my video, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and push play so you can see a scene or two. Okay, and then that's the first scene, and then we have the second scene. All right, and guys, if you want to try out this platform, you can. I went ahead and left a link down below in the description. You can get started completely for free. Now, with the free version, it does have the watermark there. And then they have the different packaging plans that removes the watermark and give you more videos to make and more time, make your videos longer and stuff like that. Okay. All right, and then if I wanted to like delete this, for example, is just note, I can delete that. If I didn't want it, I can just simply just delete it. as well as with this one. So I can just delete that scene. Of course, you just want to make sure that you go through all of them and delete the ones that you don't like. And I'm going to delete that one. And so as you can see, it came up with some pretty good stock footage. And then also if you wanted to add more stuff to these scenes, you can. I'm just briefly going over this so you can see how easy it is to work with this tool. And then also if you wanted to add music to the video, you can. All you do is go to audio, and then with the free package, I think it gives you like 5 or 15,000 tracks available, which is awesome. So I'm just going to apply something to it and then push preview, and then what it will do is play it, or it should. Let me push applied, make sure. Yeah, so as you can see here, got the music playing, and then if you wanted to add like a voiceover or record your own voiceover, you can. They already have pre-uploaded voices, so you have a lot of different AI voices to choose from, and they even have different accents and things like that. So for example, I'm going to use Ava, click applied, and then it's going to pair that AI voice up with the text or the script.
Top 7 ways to make money online without leaving home.
All right. So that's how easy it is to make this. And it only took me less than 5 minutes. Well, less than 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and generate the video. As you can see, this video is only 2 minutes and 11 seconds. I'm going to generate this to a video. So the only kind of con of this service is that it takes forever for these videos to render. This can take up to like 7 minutes. Meanwhile, it gives you some fun facts about the power of this AI video generation tool. But as this is loading, I'm going to go ahead and pause it and then cut the recording back on when it's done. All right, guys, so the video finally generated. It took a little bit of time, but it's generated. So what I can do now is download it, get a copy of the link, or export it to text or different files like that. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and download it, open it, and just show y'all how it looks like.
Top 7 ways to make money online without leaving home.
And so, as you can see here, the video is actually only 1 minute and 30 seconds.
If you're looking for ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. 1. Affiliate marketing. When customers on your digital platform click on a link to make a purchase, they are taken to your affiliate partner's site to complete the transaction, and you get a commission for every completed sale. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online business because all you have to do is promote the products. 2. Selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist. The digital retailer also says there are more than 2.
So as you can see here, I created a video. Now, if you're going to use the free account or make a free or do the free trial, it does have this annoying watermark there. Now, if you want to get rid of that, you have to get one of their other packaging plans. I think for starter out, it's just like 19 bucks a month. And then the premium package is like 39 bucks a month. Again, I made a review video going over the pricing and the pros and cons of this service. Be sure to check that out. But yeah, guys, so what you can do with this video is just upload it to YouTube, wherever you want this video to be. You can upload it, and it's pretty much done for you guys. So if you found this video useful, be sure to leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.